Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to share your created Microsoft form with people in your organization on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. Can be for work, school, or business. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now let's go to all applications. Explore your applications. Go to forms. Go to, let's reload the page. Let's just click on new form. Create a form very quickly. Computer Science Videos, let's add new, choice. Do you watch my videos? Add all. Now let's share. Only people in my organization can respond. Let's now copy this. The link is ready for you to paste. Now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Google Chrome. I have signed into the admin account. Now I can paste this into the search engine. And there we go. Hello admin. When you submit this form, the owner will see your name and email. So, do you watch my videos? Yes. Submit. Your response was submitted. Now let's quit Google Chrome. Let's go back to Safari. There's the response. So, view results. There you go. Respondent 1, admin, go back. Go back to the question. Quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.